In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chart View in QuickBooks Online Advanced. QuickBooks is a powerful financial tool, and harnessing all of its features can significantly enhance your business management skills. Let's dive right into how you can create a report and view it in a chart format, a visual representation that can make interpreting data far more intuitive and engaging. First things first, when you're on your QuickBooks dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the left panel. This menu is your gateway to various features, but for today, we're focusing on reports. Click on the Reports option. This is where you can access a plethora of reporting templates designed to give you insights into your business's financial health. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll want to look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Create Report button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt you to decide which type of report you need. You'll see a selection of report types, such as profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, and more, depending on what insights you're hoping to gain about your business. Pick the one that suits your needs. After you decide on a report, QuickBooks will generate it for you, presenting it initially in a table view. This tabular format is great for detailed analysis, but sometimes it's easier to get a quick understanding of your data with visuals. This is where the Chart View comes in handy. Direct your attention to the Chart View tab that's available once your report is created. Click on it and voila, your data is now displayed in a graphical form. Now, let's talk about customization options within the Chart View. QuickBooks offers a variety of chart types to help best represent your data visually. You can choose from bar charts, pie charts, and line charts, among others. Simply select the type you believe will best illustrate the particular metric or data set you're working with. This flexibility allows you to tailor the reporting to fit your specific needs and preferences, making it much more than just numbers on a page. And that's all there is to it. You now have the ability to create insightful, visual reports with ease. Not only does this make data analysis quicker, but it also adds a layer of professionalism to your financial presentations. So why not make the most of QuickBooks' advanced features? Take the time to try out different chart types and see which ones work best for your reporting needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate and use the chart view in QuickBooks Online Advanced effectively.